To set up secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down, and then we need to find option lock screen, security and privacy. If you enter security and privacy, scroll down until you find more security settings and then click on secure folder. Now inside we can read through the introduction. You can do it if you like, but I'm gonna skip it with continue and then continue again. After that, we'll need to wait a few moments until our secure folder will be created. It will act as an app that you can find on the home screen or apps screen, and then you can click to open it, unlock it, and access files or apps inside. So now after the folder is created, we can choose the option to lock it. We can go for PIN, password, or pattern. You can also add fingerprints to unlock it and allow to lock to reset with your account if you want. In this case, I'm gonna go for a pattern and enter a pattern for that lock. Confirm it. And that way our secure folder will be set up. We can also choose what happens when secure folder is locked, close all apps while it's locked, or allow background activity even when you lock it. And then we can go for more and done. And here's our secure folder. We can lock and exit it. We can add different apps if we like. And to find it, as I said, we can open our app screen and then there's secure folder right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.